excited. I would normally plan out a video more thoroughly than this, but I just got in a new home theater preamp processor. It's the Marantz AV7704. So I kind of cut open the box already because I'm so excited, but I was like, oh, you know what? I should do an unboxing video and just let people see it. So here it goes. I'm opening up the box. I bought this from Accessories for Less. So it's a refurbished unit, so it's way cheaper than the retail version of this. And so we've got foam inserts in here. You got the box. I'm sure this has got all of our accessories in it. So yep, there's the remote, power cord. We got our radio antenna. We got some Wi-Fi antenna. We have our battery. We've got the Odyssey setup mic, and we've got some information from Marantz, just some basic paperwork and stuff. Marantz quality control, all kinds of things, just to give you some reassurance when you're buying refurbished. So that is that. And so what I'll do is I'll put this off to the side. And then the Marantz itself, it's got some foam around it. It's a little shifted actually. So I'm just gonna pull this out. Oh, I'll set it down just a second. I've got, oh, this is for the mic, for calibration and stuff. You can make a little paper cardboard stand for it to do the setup for Odyssey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this box over, set it right here, and then I'm going to put this guy up here. We've got our foam on the sides, and so pull these off. Pull this off. So it's in this kind of tough plastic bag, and tape on the front. It's pretty fun. It's like Christmas, you know, just unwrapping your present. Okay, I guess I will use the knife. Alright. Anything else? Okay, so it's ready to come out. Okay, so there we go. That's the front. Yeah, I don't see any scratches. Not on the top. Nothing on the back. Man, it's clean. I'll flip it around. Let's see. You can see the back. I'm looking at the front. Wow, yeah. Okay, so, nope, it's just a little bit of fuzz from packing material and stuff. Got the taped up front. And nice little flip down. Okay, so what you're looking at is all the inputs. So once again, this is a home theater preamp processor. So there's no amplifier built into it. This is just designed to take the input of the signal, volume control, and then change input, do all the processing and all that stuff for all the home theater processing and stuff for Atmos and DSX. Looks awesome. I'm really looking forward to this. So I'm building a home theater as we speak. So it's a dedicated room. It's really going to serve two purposes: dedicated home theater and dedicated 2-channel audio for music. And so I wanted to get something that was going to be, you know, basically serve for both. And this is a quality preamp processor. So yeah, I'm not going to have to worry about upgrading this anytime soon. And I can have it incorporated with all the speakers that I have, rather than have to get two separate systems and two different sets of remotes and all that junk. Just have it all incorporated into one, because the convenience there is going to be better than the maybe audio performance that there might possibly be You'll be doing outboard external amplification with this, obviously. And I have my choice of XLR or RCA output, or balanced or unbalanced. And you got the Wi-Fi spots in, some random digital ins, some network connectivity, about 7 HDMI in on the back, and there's an HDMI on the front. And then we've got a lot of analog inputs and analog pre-outs, a power connector. Yeah, and then here's the radio. And these, actually, I'm looking for, this is a 12 volt trigger, and there's going to be 2 of these because I'm going to have 2 sets of external amps for doing all the speakers. So this will do 11.2, so lots of channels, lots of amplification, so 2 boxes to turn on immediately after this turns on. And most external power amps don't turn on with a remote control. So you connect with a 12 volt trigger, and I have 2 amps, so this is nice because it had the 2 12 volt triggers out. But yeah, so that's it. You can kind of see this is what it looks like. It's not plugged in, obviously, but refurbished from Accessories for Less. But boy, this is super clean. I bought stuff from them before, and I don't see anything. I don't see any scratches or marks or anything. It looks brand new. Yeah, so big discount for something that looks pretty much new. And oh yeah, and a phono input, so you can't see that, but there it is. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day.